Adventure bike. These are the types of motorcycles that are designed to go both on the streets and off-road. This concept started all the way back in 1980s with those bulky motorcycles on the dual sport tires, riding around the mountains, on the dirt, highways and trails, riders with all their luggage, traveling day and night, living the moment with excitement, relaxation, and adventure. Now, let me introduce to you the Benelli TRK502X. It started in 2017 with the TRK502 standard version, then released the full adventure concept in 2018, the TRK502X. Regardless of its being too young and adventure bikes field, who would have thought that in 2020, it became the best-selling motorcycle in the Italian market. That's a strong start for the TRK. It is available in 4 different colors: gray, white, blue, and red. The engine is equipped with a liquid-cooled 500cc parallel twin engine, double overhead cam, fuel-injected, 4-stroke, 8 valves, 6-speed transmission. Maximum power 48 HP at 8,500 RPM. Maximum torque 46 Nm at 6,000 RPM. The bike could reach 0 to 100 kph in just 7.5 seconds, and the top speed is approximately 160 kph. So let's take a closer look on the bike. The design is very sporty, sharp looking, too much muscle for a 500cc motorcycle. It is full LED, and the overall aesthetics is just very Italian. We got a 50mm inverted front suspension with Metzeler Torrance tires, 110/80 by 19 inches of aluminum spoke rim, 320mm dual disc brake, 2-piston calipers with ABS. Monoshock on the rear suspension with a spring preload hydraulic rebound with adjustable compression setting. 150/70 by 17 inches aluminum spoke rim, 260mm single disc, single piston caliper with ABS. Dry weight is 213 kilograms, wheelbase 1,525 mm, ground clearance 210 mm, seat height 840 mm. Tank capacity is 20 liters with a fuel consumption of approximately 25 kilometers per liter. Okay, so this time let's take a closer look of this TRK502X. You can see this turn signal, the headlight. Napaka-typical nito para sa mga adventure bikes. Stock exhaust. Meron rin siyang mudguard dito. I like the design of this passenger foot peg. Napaka-premium ng pagkakagawa sa kanya. And at the same time, yung brake pedal na merong mga ngipin. And here's the elbow. Kita naman natin, 2-cylinder siya. And the brakes, it's Benelli. Here's the shifter, chain, the sprocket. And since adventure bike to, may naka-ready na rin sa kanyang bracket for top box. Look at the huge tank. Hindi pa siya keyless. Here's the gauge. Combination ng analog and digital. Meron siyang kill switch. Hindi ko lang sure kung para saan tong switch na to. But this is for the starter. Then we have the high beam, low beam indicator, the flasher, the turn signal, and the horn. This is the ABS switch, so you could turn it on and turn it off. For the seat, yan, napaka-generous ng kanyang foam. Medyo manipis ng konti dito sa angkas, pero actually makapal din siya, especially sa part na to. Yan. So yun, may mga kagulong din naman tayo na height na 5'4 or 5'5 na kayang sakyan to. Siyempre, kailangan din natin magkaroon ng slight adjustment para maging comfortable tayo. Kasi nga, medyo may kabigatan siya. So kung may kaliitan yung height natin, that might be difficult for us to ride this bike. But if there's a will, there's a way. Now, let's check out some pros and cons of the bike. Pros: excellent overall design, able to go off-road, comfortable riding position, well-balanced and stable, huge tank capacity, has ABS on both brakes, high-quality dual sport tires, full LED, expressway legal, Euro 5 compliant, and the exhaust has a catalytic converter and oxygen sensor. So here are some cons that I've observed. The bike's weight. Although TRK502X belongs to the middleweight category when it comes to its displacement, it weighs like a liter bike already and sometimes even heavier. just like if we compare it to the African twin. Another thing is the seat height. It is too high for most of us Filipinos. The gas consumption is a little bit higher than the other 500cc adventure bikes. No riding modes or traction control, it's just you and the bike. Just in case na gusto nyo makapag-avail nitong Benelli TRK502X, punta lang kayo dito sa Benelli Antipolo Branch right in front of Ynares Sports Center. And for service naman, this is also a service center. Just in case na may mga kailangan kayo sa inyong mga Benelli units, pwede nyo dalhin dito sa kanilang service center. With its price of 399,000 pesos, you would get a premium-looking Italian adventure bike that can surely bring you from point A to point B in full satisfaction. Whether you're running into highways, touring in mountains, cruising on trails, whatever path you choose for your journey, the adventure is in your hands. This is the Benelli TRK502X. Thanks to Benelli Antipolo Branch by LGM, they are located right in front of Ynares Sports Center. Kindly follow us on Facebook for more updates and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Bibo Yalan-D and you're watching Respeto, Kagulong. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now. I'll see you guys on the next one.